Calculate lower and upper bounds if each of the number is correct to nearest one decimal place. So here you have to find lower and upper bound for this one, 17.6 minus 4.2. And how do you find out? In this way. See, to get the lower bound of this, you should take lower bound for 17.6 and you should take upper bound for this 4.2. In subtraction we do opposite, one lower, the other upper. Okay, now, and same way if you want upper bound, I should take upper bound for this minus lower bound for this one. Clear? In subtraction, one upper, other lower. Lower minus upper will result in lower, upper minus lower will result in upper. Clear? Now, let us write lower and upper bound for each of the numbers. Starting with 17.6. Now, what will I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How will I decide that? Based on this one. This is correct to one decimal place. One decimal place means 0.1. Remember that. One decimal means 0.1. So whatever you should subtract and add is one decimal. Of that you should do half. So do half of this. So you get 0.05. It's nearest to whatever you should do half of that. So add 0.05 and subtract 0.05. So we get 17.65 and over here 17.55. Clear? Now the next number, 4.2. Even 4.2 is also nearest to one decimal place is 0.1. Half of that is 0.05. So that I should add and subtract. So when I add, I get 4.25. When I subtract, I get 4.15. Okay. Now, let us replace those values over here. So lower bound of 17.6 is 17.55 minus upper bound of 4.2 is 4.25. So put this in the calculator, you get 13.3. Now next, this one. Upper bound of 17.6 is 17.65 minus lower bound of 4.2 is 4.15. Calculate this, you get 13.5. Thus we found lower and upper bound for this one. Okay.